Hi, this is Debra Sayble-Thornbrugh, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to begin and navigate through module number 3 in our PowerPoint class. Once you log into Canvas, from the main home page, go ahead and click into Modules, the Modules button. And make sure that you're scrolling down into the Module 3 area. It should be at the bottom of your page. Let's start with the overview of Module 3. This module has to do with Chapter 3, which is dealing with preparing a slideshow for delivery, among other things. There are lots of different ways you can deliver a slideshow to people, either in a live presentation or in a self-running kiosk, or even packaged as a CD that can be played on other computers. Okay, the module overview here, of course, will list your learning objectives. These are the key topics you're going to be working with and learning about in Module 3. At the bottom of this page, you have a summary of the tasks you're going to do. There is a lecturette. There's more than one video clip, actually, to watch here in Canvas. You're going to read Chapter 3. You're going to do an assigned PowerPoint project. And at the end of that project, when you're done with the steps in the textbook, you're going to take it a step further and do a little bit more with it based on what Canvas tells you to do. And you'll see what I mean in just a moment. I'll show you. And then there's also going to be a brief discussion that you need to post a reply to. So I'm going to go here and click the next button to go to the next part of Module 3 instructions. Here's the lecturette. This discusses generally what you're going to be doing in Module 3, but also it talks about some specifics. For example, here you need to remember, a lot of people forget this, but you need to remember that you are the speaker, you are the key to a successful presentation to people. The PowerPoint slideshow is just a tool to help emphasize what it is you're trying to convey to them. So you can't just run a slideshow and then sit down and watch it like everybody else in the audience. You are the presenter. People are going to be looking to you to tell them things and give them information. So here I've got some examples of ways that you can kind of make your presentation pop a little bit. If you click here where it says animated clip art example, this will open a slideshow that only has one slide in it, and you need to run that slideshow to actually see the animated clip art work. It will be like a little cartoon kind of thing as you run that. So that's just an example of an animated clip art that runs like a little mini video. Then another technique is to use your pen or highlighter tool. As you can see, I was running this particular slideshow, and I took the highlighter tool and I drew a pink sort of highlighter marker pen in a circle. It's not easy to do with a mouse, but you get the idea. You can emphasize things that way during your slideshow, almost like you're using a chalkboard or smartboard. So that's really a great tool for focusing your audience. And then further down, it talks about embedding or linking a video into your slideshow. This particular video that I've embedded here, it really has nothing to do with business, but I just really liked it and I thought it was cute, so I thought I'd share it with you. It has to do with a raccoon stealing cat food, but the voiceover is the best part. Anyway, I'm going to move on to the next part of Module 3. This is just a reminder to read Chapter 3 and what's expected of you here. You do not have to do the guide me, let me try, show me, let me try tutorials in Chapter 3, but I do recommend that you do them. They can help you not just learn the tools and the skills, but they can also help prepare you for our first test. Going through the first few chapters of the book and doing the let me try tutorials is a great way to help you get ready for the first test in the class, because a lot of these test questions are taken from those Let Me Try tutorials. So, and of course, doing the pause and practice exercises as you read through the book can help you learn these skills as well. So we're concentrating on Chapter 3 in your textbook in Module 3. And the next piece here in Canvas is a video that I recorded. It's kind of a long one. It's about 13 minutes long, but it does a number of things. It shows you how to embed a video clip into a slide in the manner which I want you to do in the project you're going to do. So you really should watch this video before you do the project for Module 3. And this video also shows how to link a video to a slideshow without having to embed it, how to just create a hyperlink for it. And also in this video, I just so happen to include how to remove background from a picture cleanly and easily. Let's say you input a graphic, a static picture into your slide, and it has a white background or a black background or any kind of background you want to get rid of, and you just want to have the figure in the picture showing. This video, there's a part of this video that shows how to do that very easily. So that's watching the video. You don't have to answer any questions about this video, but it would be a good idea to watch it before you start your project. And I'm going to go to the next page in Module 3 in Canvas. This describes what to do exactly. You're going to do Independent Project 3-4 in the textbook. It's due by October 4th in this semester, and it's worth 60 points. And there are several student data files you need to complete this project, and I've posted them here for you. But when you're done with the project, highlighted in yellow here, it tells you don't upload and submit it yet. Go down and finish this part. This is an added part called Take It a Step Further. It's worth an additional 10 points. So please make sure that you finish the project with these steps. You're going to be embedding a video into this slideshow, but you get to pick which video you want to embed. And finally, the last piece of Module 3 is a discussion. There are lots of different tools and techniques and things covered in Chapter 3 and Module 3. The question here you need to answer is, which one, if you were going to pick out one technique, tool, or feature from Chapter 3, which one would you be likely to use someday, do you think? Think of a PowerPoint presentation you might give in front of your classmates, maybe in another class, or maybe in front of your coworkers or your boss or customers at your job. Think of how you would use one of these techniques, and just explain and describe the technique you would pick out and how you might use it. Write at least 3 to 5 sentences about that. And that is the last part of Module 3. So if you have any questions about Module 3, please let me know and I will help you out.